Welcome back everyone, my name is Carla Calderon. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the new create mode feature that Instagram released. I've been wanting to show you guys this video way earlier, but I couldn't because for some reason I lost this feature on my Instagram, and I didn't want to come up here and then like show you guys something that it was not gonna work when it doesn't even work for me. So for some reason I lost this feature, but now it's back. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys have this feature too. If you don't, then maybe you're about to get it. Let's hope you get it soon. All right, let's get to the video.
Let's begin with opening the Instagram app and clicking on the top left corner on the camera. This will open your camera in normal, and what I need you guys to do is you're going to swipe to the right and it will say create at the bottom. The first option that you have under the create mode is for you to type something, and you can change the background, and I think you guys have seen this one many times before. Let's swipe to the left and go to the GIF option, and then here you can just type whatever it is that you're looking for. I'm going to type happy, and then as you can see, you have all of these other options that you can choose from. Once you have made your selection, you can also add stickers, or you can even type whatever it is that you want. Let's swipe to the left and go to one of my favorite options, which is templates. What I like about this is that it gives you ideas of what to post. To select more, click on the top where you see the dice, and you can see all the different options that they have. You can also change the background color by clicking on the bottom right corner and look at the different options that you have. Now let's swipe to the left, and now this option is not for everyone. It just depends on what you post last year. If you are new to Instagram, then you don't have this on this day option because this goes back 1 year or more. There are days that I don't even get this option, and that's because I didn't post anything a year ago. Let's swipe to the left, and now we have the poll option. Now, I know you guys are like, oh, I already know how this works. But if you click on the dice, then you will see some other options, and then it gives you like an idea of like what you could ask. Swiping to the left, now you have the questions option, and you can click again, like I said, the dice, and see all the different questions that you can ask the people from your Instagram. Swiping to the left, now you have the countdown option, and again, you can click the dice and there's different options too. Swiping to the left to our last option, which is the quiz. And again, you can click on the dice and get different options. Well, you guys, this concludes the create mode option.
All right, you guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. And as you guys can see, I am already in the Christmas spirit. Yay. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.